Many areas anywhere from 10 to 20 below in a few spots, and air temperature, that is. Wind chills have dropped as low as 20 to 25 below zero. So we're quiet outside, no roadway issues for you, but we definitely are staying cold throughout your day today. We'll start out anywhere from 5 to 15 below this morning at around 7 o'clock. We'll shoot up to about 12 by noon. 21 your expected high temperature later today, and while we'll start out with clear skies, we'll end up with cloudy skies as our next storm system starts to move in, and that will impact us overnight tonight. So out there right now, again, watch how clear things out over the last 6 hours, except for north of the M10 corridor. That's where we're seeing the clouds, and where you see clouds at night, you see warmer temperatures. That's what the case was yesterday. We had the clouds down south, and that's why we did not drop below zero. Not happening for us right now, as we are 20 degrees colder in Flint compared to this time yesterday morning because of the lack of clouds. 11 degrees colder in Saginaw, nearly 30 in Port Huron, and nearly 10 in Harbor Beach. So look at your air temperatures. 11 below now in Corunna and Burton. Yesterday it was 8 degrees above zero in Burton at this time. We're 18 below in Sandusky, 9 below in Vassar, 4 below in Auburn, 7 below in Ithaca, but where we have the clouds, we're above zero. Up north, 2 above in West Branch, 3 in Harrison, and by no stretch is that warm, but it's better than being at 11 below zero like we are along the I-69 corridor. Not just the temperatures, we have to be concerned about the winds as well, and notice the winds aren't terribly strong, but we're looking at roughly about a 5-mile-per-hour wind, and that is enough to give us very dangerous wind chills now in Burton at 20 below zero. When you're looking at wind chills below 15 below, you're actually looking at a hypothermia or frostbite situation, mainly frostbite setting up in only about 10 to 20 minutes time for exposed skin. So you know what to do. You want to layer up, make sure all your exposed skin is covered if you have to be out in this stuff for an extended period of time, because we definitely don't want any hospital visits in your future today. 15 below current wind chill here in Ubly and Auburn. So that's what you're waking up to and heading out the door right now. What you will be waking up or heading out the door to this afternoon, I should say, unless you're a late sleeper and you sleep until this afternoon, we're looking at another front out west. Now, while there is some snow attached with this front, I'm not expecting it to bring much more than a couple of flurries here and there as we go into the next several hours. So 1 o'clock, clouds will start to increase. We'll see temperatures again up to about 21. There's some of that light snow developing up towards our north. I think accumulations, if any at all, will stay an inch or less. And as we go into the overnight hours, we'll start to see that system breaking up, but the clouds stay with us. So I'm expecting by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning for your temperatures to hover into the single digits above zero. So not as cold tomorrow as we are this morning. And temperatures tomorrow afternoon even warmer, up to 30. And we could have a few scattered snow showers here and there from Wednesday into Friday as well as next Monday. But right now I'm not seeing any major storm systems to impact you throughout the next 7 days. And we still are looking at a warm up next week.